Is a TV in your van a good idea? So with the TV, when you go somewhere, you just channel tuning, just automatically tune it with your remote. Yeah, so you can get in contact with the local community via whatever's going on in their news channels. You get local television then. After all, your van is your home. It's a home on wheels, and you want to make yourself feel at home. So I accidentally left the TV on, you might see it in the background just there. I left it on tune in and I forgot about it. And as I'm driving along, the TV's actually hooked into a channel, and so I've got the TV going on in the background there. It's pretty cool actually. But obviously I can't watch it when I'm looking this way, but I can see the tiny little speck there of the TV. And yeah, people think to themselves, oh, you can watch everything on laptops, but it's really nice when you go to a local area and you tune the TV in. You might be at Ballina, and then you've got the Ballina local news, you know, like, and so it sort of plugs you into the community a lot better while you're there, and you can find out what's going on and what people's opinions are, what sort of controversies there are, what to watch out for. Yeah, just, you know, another little aid, and yeah, integrating you into that environment. So ask yourself, is a TV option in your van for you, or would you rather use a computer? Up to you. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think.
Hey you, stay awesome. Gotta stay awesome with the van. Hey you, stay awesome. Gotta stay awesome.